How to delete pages from PDFs? First of all, you will have to open a browser on your device. So simply I'm using the Chrome browser. So after opening a browser, you will have to search here for remove page from PDF. So after searching the remove page from PDF on your browser, you will got options from I love PDF website. So simply click on this, and here you have to select the PDF file whom you want to delete some pages. So simply click on this select PDF file. Okay. So like in my case, I will select this PDF file. Alright, now you can see that all of the pages of that PDF file is shown hereby, and for the deletion process you will have to select the desired page whom you want to delete. So in my case I will select this page 1, and here you got the options like remove pages. So it is on the bottom on the red color. So you have to go for the option remove page here. So simply tap on this remove page option. Alright, the PDF page has been successfully removed, and now I can download the remove pages PDF from here. So simply click on this download PDF option. So tap on it. Okay. So likewise, you can also remove the pages from your PDF. So hope you like this video, and if this video was helpful to you, please do subscribe and like this video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon over there for more such tech tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.